Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Among Us Black Impostor from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the shape and outline of the imposter. Draw a large upside down U shape. Now at the bottom, and slightly offset to the right, draw a line down and curve it over to the left. Now close off the leg like this. And add a curve on the right side to close off the other leg. And now add one more curve at the top of the middle line. Let's draw the face shield next. Draw a curve in the body here. And then another curve on the right side. Now connect the lines at the top and the bottom. Now erase the line inside. Next, let's add a 4-point star on the left side of the face shield like this. And then add a border inside with the same shape. Now erase the face shield lines inside. Let's draw the pylon on the head now. Above the top left of the face shield, draw a diagonal line up. And then another diagonal line going out to the left past the head. Now draw short lines up on both ends and in the middle. Now connect the lines with two angled lines. Next, erase the headlines inside. Now add two angled lines up and in from the ends. And then add a curve to connect them. Next, add two angled lines upwards. Then curve each line in slightly. Connect them with the curve across now. Now add another set of angled lines up. And close it off with a curve at the top. Now from the top left, draw a curved line in halfway. Lastly, add a small black oval at the top. Let's draw the left hand holding the knife now. On the bottom leg, draw a curve down here. And then a square shape out on the right. Now add a small line out from the top and an angled line at the bottom. Now connect them with the vertical line. Next, from the top of the handle, draw a wavy line up and out to the left. And from under the handle, draw a curve over to the left and back up. Now let's close off the shape of the hand with a curved square shape. And lastly, add a bent line inside here. Let's draw the blade coming out to the left now. Draw a straight line out. And then from the end, curve it back into the hand. Now erase the line inside. Next, add the backpack with a rectangular shape on the left side of the body. Let's draw the right hand holding the microphone now. Draw an open-sided oval on the right here. Then from the top, curve it over to the left and back down and in like this. Now add the 3 fingers underneath. Let's add the microphone now. Draw 2 short lines out on the right. Then connect them with the curve. And now add a circle at the end. And lastly, add the curved detailed lines inside. And that's it for the Black Impostor. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.